student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal International School. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and today's topic is oral sheet practice. Dear student, take your sheet and be attentive at my class. Dear student, look at the board. Here I will teach you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means 5 questions. Dear student, you should listen this question very attentively. Okay, listen every question, not only this question. Listen every question very attentively, and when I will say the answer, you say with me. Okay, dear student, now I teach you question number 1. Where can we find the subject of drawing? Again, you listen the question. Where can we find the subject of drawing? Answer: all around the nature. Answer: all around the nature. Question number 2. Say the name of big picture that you like to draw. Answer. Okay, again I will repeat the question. Say the names of big picture that you like to draw. Answer. I like to draw a house and tree scenery with color. Dear students, say with me again. I like to draw a house and tree scenery with color. Question number 3. What is the color of a duck? Question number 3. What is the color of a duck? Dear student, say with me. The color of a duck is yellow, brown and black. Again say with me. The color of a duck is yellow, brown and black. Question number 4. Which shapes are used to draw a picture? Again, which shapes are used to draw a picture? Answer: circle and oval shape. Say with me again. Circle and oval shape. So dear student, the last one, question number 5. You need to listen this very carefully. Why do we need to draw picture? Why do we need to draw picture? Answer: to be creative. Answer is to be creative. So dear student, you should practice by listening and watching this video, and look at the board. You have a ASW on your RW class also. The ASW is a sailing boat without color. So dear student, you should do your assigned ASW and submit the ASW at your school at every Sunday 8 am to 4 pm. Dear student, don't forget to submit your ASW because your SBS, city and diary marks also depends on your ASW. So dear student, stay at your home, abide by your parents. Thank you. That's all for today.